Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking you to one of the most breathtaking spots in Munnar, that is Iravikulam National Park. It is located around 13 kilometers from Munnar town and it's Kerala's first national park. We are about to reach in few minutes, so stay tuned because you don't want to miss the lush green mountains, floating clouds, and the mesmerizing beauty that's waiting ahead. Once you reach the entrance, a shuttle bus takes you up to the hill, and trust me, the drive itself is a scenic delight. On the way, you'll pass rolling tea gardens, mist covered mountains, and valley that feels like something out of a dream. And the main attraction here is the Nilgiri Tahar, an endangered mountain goat species found only in this region. The view is so beautiful, I couldn't resist taking a few videos of myself here. Welcome to the world of floating clouds. It feels like बादल पे पाँव है, सब झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है. You can hear the birds chirping. The weather is so beautiful. I feel like doing walk endlessly right above the clouds. It started drizzling on the way, so we thought of capturing few pictures of our parents in their raincoats, and honestly, they're looking absolutely adorable. They're so happy. The endless stretch of green hills merging with the sky feels like a painting come to life. Every breath here feels lighter, like the mountains are gently hugging your spirit. And as you move upwards, you are greeted with panoramic view of Western Ghats. The cloud drift so close, you feel like cloud could reach out and you can touch them. You can see a small waterfall flowing through the mountains. It just adds to the beauty of this peaceful place. Now let me give you a quick info. Entry fee is 200 for Indian nationals and the best time to visit is September to January because you'll be able to see perfect weather and lush greenery and you can carry water, comfortable walking shoes and a light jacket because the weather can get quite chilly also. But please do visit if you're coming to Munnar because you'll love this place. You can see the beauty. This is a rare beauty. Our parents are cutely walking around the hills, soaking in the views. It is such a joy to watch them enjoy these little moments together. They also shared their thoughts on this trip, which made the moment even more special to us.
रवि रवि और मोनिका के द्वारा अपने मम्मी पापा के लिए केरला ट्रिप का जो है आयोजन किया गया है उसी के तहत हम लोग केरला में जो है आए हुए हैं और डेटेड जो है 18 से जो है हमारा ये टूर शुरू हुआ है दिल्ली से हम जो है बाई फ्लाइट जो है
कोचिन
कौन सा
कोचिन कोचिन
कोचिन
ये हमारा सपना था जी।
आए वहाँ से टैक्सी के तहत पैकेज के तहत टूर पैकेज के तहत कंपनी ने हमें वहाँ से जो है रिसीव किया और उसके बाद उसी के तहत उस पैकेज के तहत हम यहाँ आए हुए हैं और रात को हम जहाँ रुके हैं मन्नार में जो है बहुत ही बढ़िया जो है
प्रॉपर्टी
रेस्टोरेंट था और बहुत ही अच्छा वहाँ जो है रुकने में अच्छा लगा अच्छी व्यवस्था थी खाना पीना बहुत अच्छा था सुबह का जो ब्रेकफास्ट लिया है वो बहुत बढ़िया था और अभी हमारी खाने की भी इच्छा नहीं हो रही
और इसको उसका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देते हैं मोनिका मोनिका को मैन
How cutely they mentioned ये ट्रिप हमारा सपना था एंड ऑफ कोर्स ये हमारा सपना भी था कि हम इन्हें एक अच्छी सी ट्रिप करवाएं एंड आई होप वी आर सक्सेसफुल ऑल्सो in planning this trip. So we clicked few photographs also together with lush green mountains. If you like this video, please don't forget to share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.